To transfer funds from Cash App to Binance, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a verified account on both Cash App and Binance. This is crucial as it allows for seamless and secure transactions. Start by opening your Cash App and navigating to the Banking tab. Here, you will find the option to add a bank account or a debit card. Since Binance does not accept direct deposits from Cash App, you will need to first transfer your funds to a bank account. Link your bank account to Cash App by providing the necessary account and routing numbers. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate a transfer from Cash App to your bank account. This process typically takes a few business days, depending on the bank's processing time. After the funds have been successfully transferred to your bank account, log into your Binance account. Navigate to the Wallet section and click on the Deposit option. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase and choose the payment method as bank transfer. You will be provided with Binance's bank account details, which you will use to initiate a transfer from your bank account. Ensure you follow the instructions carefully, as the details may vary depending on your location and the type of transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Binance account. After the funds have been credited, you can use them to purchase your desired cryptocurrency. It is essential to note that transferring funds from Cash App to Binance via a bank account may incur some fees. These fees can vary depending on the bank and the type of transfer. Always review the fees before initiating a transfer to ensure you understand the costs involved. In conclusion, transferring funds from Cash App to Binance requires patience and attention to detail. By following these steps and understanding the process, you can successfully transfer your funds and start trading on Binance. Always prioritize security and verify the account details before initiating any transactions to avoid potential errors or losses.